Building a picnic table is super easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how. The plans for this size, as well as several different size picnic tables, are free for download on my website, annawhite.com. All my plans are step by step and include detailed cutting, shopping list, and diagrams. After you grab all of your materials, it's time to start cutting. I recommend a compound miter saw or similar since there is some angled cuts, but you can make these picnic tables with just a circular saw and a speed square to mark out the couple of angles that you'll need. I also soften some of the edges just to make sure there's no sharp points with the miter saw. You can also do this with a speed square and a jigsaw or a circular saw. There's a lot of different options on how to cut out your project. I like to start my picnic tables with the tabletop support system first because this is going to give me a square tabletop that I can work from. So notice how I took a square of the tabletop support. Make sure that it's not becoming a parallelogram. We want to make sure it's a rectangle. When I'm happy with that, I start attaching the tabletop boards. After doing a couple of these, I think the easiest way is to attach the outer tabletop boards and then center the second one. Then I can just flip it over and attach the legs with some screws and then flip it back over and make sure that it's sitting level, it's not rocking, and it's not wobbly, and adjust it if I need to at that point. And then when I'm happy with it, I can add the seat stringers. I use some blocking to hold the seat stringers up to the perfect height. Now it's super important that you're working on a level surface so that your picnic table turns out level. Now it's super easy to attach the seat boards and screw them down. This design makes it easy to add cross bracing, will really help with the structure of the picnic table. The screws I used are the Starbit self-tapping. I didn't have to pre-drill any, but I do need to fill the holes just to make it clean and finished. For a finish, I recommend any product that you would use to finish a deck or a fence. I really like opaque stains instead of a paint because it soaks in and doesn't create a film, and when your wood expands and contracts with moisture, you don't get cracking and peeling. All the plans are linked in the description. Check it out. Share if you build. We can't wait to see how your project turns out.